Hello, my name is Solomon Chibuzo. I am a robotics engineer and a master's student at the University of Girona, specializing in intelligent field robotics. My journey began in mechanical engineering, then moved into control systems, and now into robotics, where I connect control, perception, and machine learning to solve real problems. Over the years, I have worked on projects that join research and practice. One project was a multipurpose drone for farmland monitoring, where I joined a hybrid controller combining model predictive control, feedback linearization, and backstepping. This improved spraying and mapping in agriculture. I also contributed to Nigerian first electric campus shuttle, the Lion Ozumba 551, where I led the CAD team. That showed me how engineering can move from perception to real impact. Here in Girona, my focus is probabilistic robotics, planning, perception, localization, and intervention. I built extended camera filter SLAM with ICP, tested next-best view exploration, and developed task priority control for mobile manipulators. These systems, planning, localization, perception, and manipulation, were validated in simulation and on a turtle board with a Swift Pro arm, all integrated in ROS. In medical imaging, I worked with the iToBoS project on lesion detection. We tested models like LavaMed, MedGemma, and GPT-4o Mini, refining outputs with dermatologists to ensure clinical use. I also led my team to the first place in the iToBoS 2024 Kegel competition. We combined YOLO V8 for detection with MedGemma for classification, balancing speed and accuracy. For me, robotics is about integration, bringing together control, machine learning, and perception into systems that adopt in real problems. From drones in agriculture to healthcare AI, I see robotics as a bridge across fields, always grounded in solving problems. My vision is research that becomes usable systems and education that inspires future engineers. Thank you for listening.